Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. This is GFX Raceway Point Series 2018 Round 8. Final race day of the season. Track shuts down after this. Short course, A-Main, right now. Thank you guys. How's my angle looking?
You guys are all ready?
No crash until the finish.
You guys good? Can you guys hear me?
Yep.
Okay. So we're gonna go in less than 5.
Oh, traction roll.
Christian looks like he's liking that new Tekno truck.
Yeah, he does.
Sorry, man. Yeah, my
After the first lap, we still have John in first, Jordan in third. Jaffa in fourth.
Whoa! Oh, I overcooked that one. All right, now I get to pass you.
4 minutes left.
Oh, that won't be hard.
Oh. He went for the triple. Laying flat on the tabletop.
Yeah. 8-scale suspension, baby. Oh no!
Oh, what happened there?
I don't know. I hit the brakes and it turned the wrong way.
So we still have John. Looks like he's got about a 1 to 2 corner lead.
A lot after that last end of straightaway mess up.
Hurry up and craft already.
I don't do that many
See
more.
that white truck coming?
I'm sandwiched in traffic though.
3 minutes left.
Patrick, take him out.
Oh, he tried. That seems like he tried.
Through the traffic. Let's see if Jordan can make it through the traffic. Jordan,
Sorry.
come on.
I didn't mean to do that.
Jordan makes it through, so
Just better launch you off.
You got 2.5 minutes left in this race.
I just need more speed.
We still have John out front, Jordan in second, Christian in third, Patrick fourth, and Mustafa fifth. John's got he's on a 14.506 pace. Jordan's got a 14.513 pace.
2 minutes left.
Oh, Jordan narrowed the gap. Oh, little shortcut.
Keep taking
5
shortcuts.
seconds behind there, Jordan. Fast lap actually goes to Jordan with a 23.8. John with a 23.9.
Oh, I tagged the tire.
Christian with a 25.8.
Gimme.
Patrick with a 27.9. Oh, we just had a pass. Jordan got in front of John there. John is stuck in the tire. So there's a 3-second difference between those two. But a minute and a half left. Probably 4 more laps. We got third place, stuck between first and second. Oh, John flips. Get him, get him. Oh, he's self-flipped over here.
Uh-oh. Falling back now.
I don't crash, he says.
1 minute left.
Yeah, what happened there? I said much. I didn't say it all. All it takes is one. Oh!
You got stuck in the tire.
Couldn't see what just happened, but I heard
Patrick.
Man, you're like half a lap back.
Jordan,
What
I
happened?
think now was about.
I got stuck with Mustafa on the tire at the start of the straightaway.
Hanging back there in a second, waiting for his move.
Ah!
You're about 8 seconds behind there, John.
Oh, there's a big rock.
Race, 2 seconds left in the race here.
Car 5 is done. Car
Nice,
2
you
is
got
done.
me. You got me.
Jordan, you're done.
Car 4 is done. Car 1 is done.
John, Patrick, you're done.
Car 3 is done.
Ah!
Jordan ended up taking
Oh, he's
first
taking the
with a
victory
13.5.
lap. Look at this, going for the victory
Second
lap.
with a 13.512. Christian with a 12.516. Patrick with a 11.
Never underestimate a fast teenager.
10.504.
Yeah, the showboat lap. Good job. All right, see if I can get him on the next one.
Less than 5. Pretty up the hill, pretty up the hill, pretty up the hill. Oh, that was pretty. We're breaking off into our group already. Wait, 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 wait. Oh. And that's why we don't marshal short course half the time, Mustafa. Way down the end of the fairway. All right, deep breath, Mustafa. Get it back. Deep breath. All right, how fun. We got a battle between Jordan and John. I think that's this one. Followed by Kisran all by himself in the middle. And then we've got some craziness at the back. Mustafa. Oh! Jordan hits the pipe. John needs a little hand. Justin's got a hold of him. We're back to racing.
4 minutes left.
We got 4 minutes left, the lady said.
I'm more annoyed at myself I didn't get by you clean.
I don't know what I mean. This one's got a lot of air. It almost makes it look worse. I missed John's drifting. Oh, we get a little bit of lag. We got a little bit back. So right now, Jordan's ahead. John's just playing with him now. The mood all changed. Mood off stage, he said. Here we go. We've got play help. Hold on up. He's still trying to, he's clawing away at Patrick. Even downhill. Even downhill.
Shit.
Here comes Leah, boys. Keep your base. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. There you go. Take one, Jordan. Oh, come on, Jack. Quick, buddy. Oh, no, it feels it's like the longest 3 seconds of your day. Blocked by 2 guys. Oh, Mustafa stuff explodes. John just decided to crash. John goes off the problem. He's feeling weird. Although I would say for today there is a jacket required. John, yeah, here comes Jordan.
How'd you catch up again so quick?
That's got to be fast, Jordan.
Yeah, that's gotta be fast.
Watch out, here he comes. He's a man eater. I'm bringing up the 80s tunes. Anybody can name these tunes. I'll have to bring them in the calls. Oh my God! What an explosion! Mustafa, we don't even know where to put you. You fell over like 3 lanes.
2 minutes left.
There's a movie about 3 billboards. It's really all the story.
That was a good movie.
John is just hanging in. John Shingle for a ride with Mustafa. John is just keeping ahead of Jordan. Jordan's taking his time. He's looking for his corner. He wants to keep that. I think it's at the end of the straight. Here we go. Drag race, boys. John's got a lot of motor. Oh, he's got a lot of motor. Jordan's right there. Don't even make a mistake. Don't blink. Don't give him an inch. Thank you, Mustafa. Did I miss that or not? I don't know. Here we go, John. Jordan's right. Oh, this is close, man. This is the race. This is the battle. This is why we do all this. Oh, yeah. Dragger needs to get on the fairway. There in the brakes. Oh, there we go. Jordan was waiting for. That was the moment right there. Holy God. We got it.
Oh!
John goes full mental. Look at John again. Listen, but I can help. No, never mind. He's lead there, but there's something about Joe Boog. I'll do it myself. And here it is, we got a race. Oh, John's got to run up the hill, but Jordan gets his car and makes it wide. Come on, John, get over there. Flip him. That's it. We've got 35 seconds left.
Ah, you got me now.
A little bit left.
That one time. Oh! Oh no! Oh, don't put him in front of me! Oh no!
He's going to hit another line, you know. Here we go. Here comes first place up the hill. Second place up the hill.
I think you got me, buddy. I think you got me.
Christine's in third. Patrick's fourth. And Mustafa in fifth. Everybody's going for position. Here comes first place. Look out. Boys in front of you. Go wide, please. Go wide. Not you, Jordan.
Block him! Block him! Block him!
Oh, shit. Ahead of you. Look out. The race is over. Finish your laps. This is it.
I can't see, no, I can't see!
Oh, my God. It's over.
Ah!
Watch out for the landmines. Fierce today.
Oh, Jordan's taking another victory lap. All right, so second. Hey, good job, Jordan. Nice, Jordan, nice.
Last one, Jordan. Be careful, buddy. Keep walking.